In this episode, we are here to meet renowned actor Brijesh Kakodkar as he plays the saint in his latest film. Thank you for joining us today. Can you give us a little bit, a brief on your film?
This is a film based on life of Saint Francis Xavier, and it's not necessarily. I mean, obviously, the service or what he did in Goa, the life he lived in Goa, is very much part of the film. But it starts at say from his birth till his death. It's in Konkani, but the title is in English. It's called The Candle Still Burns.
How did this project, come to you?
Saint Francis is someone whom I've always been attracted to. You know, as everybody calls him Goicha Sahib, and when I was studying in a convent school, there was a tour that happened, and then we had a small little retreat in Old Goa, and that's where I got to know more about him, and from there onwards, the sort of attraction and fascination to him was always there. I am not really a religious person. I do believe in him. Okay, there have been times wherein I wanted something and I prayed to him, and it worked for me. Okay, so when this film came to me, I am like thinking that probably it is just destiny for me to play this role.
What is the kind of work that you had to, put yourself to get into his?
I started working on my look, and I went through a lot of his material about Saint Francis, some of which was shared to me by the director Agnello itself, and then my own research, how has been his life, from what kind of family background he came from, and the script itself had a lot of details, so that really helped me to understand the person, what Saint Francis was, and that really helped me to get into that character.
You have always shared this close connect with Saint Francis since a child, but now now portraying the saint is something else. What was that for you?
Like I said, I was always fascinated by him, and always have spent time in the church, and got to know about him, and we've been hearing from our parents also. When it came to me, I was like really surprised and taken aback, because there have been times, them accidents or coincidences wherein somehow this, like I like to say it in that way, somehow the saint is trying to keep me close to him. One of the times I had this like a divine experience was when I wore my costume for the first time. That was the priest robe. It's like I was that person, and somehow all this clutter I had in mind, all this overthinking and all this worries and things just disappeared, and it was all channelized into okay, I am like a servant to people, and I have to do good to people.
I think you answered my next question also, which was how easy, or how difficult, or were there any, challenges along the way for you that you had, during the shoot or during the filming? But it looks like you had it, the saint had already,
Exactly.
made it a very smooth journey for you.
Exactly. So I cannot pinpoint at any moment which I would say that playing the role was difficult for me. There have been such one page dialogues wherein it's basically a summon. Okay, and obviously I'm not a priest, I don't know anything about the whatever to talk about the word of God, or know knowledge about theology and all that thing. And those one page dialogues which were given to me, I read them, okay, and I didn't have to by heart any of them. because it just came to me.
Seems like this film was very special. I mean, with the kind of divine interventions that you have had. I mean, I'm sure for you it was also a very different experience, in this film compared to all your other projects.
This film will, sort of differentiate me from the Bridges, the actor who used to, dance in his films and romance in the film, to be doing more, serious roles, more stronger roles, and portray this kind of emotions.
Thank you very much for sharing your thoughts and all the best, for the film and its journey.